In this video, we will show you how to invite and manage your suppliers in EandoX. First, let's invite a new supplier. Navigate to the My Library page and click the Suppliers tab. Then click the Invite Supplier button in the top right corner. A side panel will appear where we'll fill in the information of our supplier. In our case, the company name is DeskLampComp. The email is desklampcomp@gmail.com and the organization number is 123456. We'll also write a simple message. If the supplier you are inviting is already registered in EandoX, the Invite Supplier button will change to Add Supplier, letting you subscribe directly instead of sending an invitation. Now let's click Invite Supplier to send our invitation. Let's take a look at the headers in the supplier list. You'll see name, organization number, pending product requests, products in library, status, and created at. Clicking a header sorts the list by that column, and clicking again reverses the sort order. Below some of the columns is an input field, where you can search for your suppliers. You can refresh the list with the Check for Product Updates from Suppliers button. The status column shows the current state of your relationship with the supplier. The different statuses are Supplier Invited, which means the supplier has been invited. Not responded, which means the supplier hasn't responded to your invitation within 2 weeks of sending it. Signed up means that the supplier has accepted your invite and you are subscribed to them. No products provided means the supplier has signed up but not provided any products. Products provided means you are subscribed to the supplier and they have provided you with products you can use. If a supplier hasn't responded to your invitation in a while, you can nudge them. If I wanted to nudge DeskLampComp in this case, I'd just click on them and then click Nudge Supplier in the top right corner. This sends an email to them, letting them know that they have been invited to EandoX. If I instead wanted to cancel my invitation to DeskLampComp, I would just click the Cancel Invite button. Next, we'll look at the supplier side panel. Clicking a supplier's name opens the side panel, displaying all their information. The Products section lists the available products with their details, such as name, article number, type, unit, last updated, and whether or not you've added it to your library. Here you can search and filter in the same way as the suppliers page. And if you would like to unsubscribe from a supplier, you just have to click the Unsubscribe from Supplier button in the top right corner. But it's important to note that you can only unsubscribe from suppliers if none of their products are used in your products. In this video, we showed you how to invite and manage your suppliers. If any problems occur, we have a helpful AI assistant, comprehensive documentation, and online customer support to help you. Thanks for watching.